If your 63 to 87 Chevy C10 still has the factory rear brakes on it, then it's definitely time to start thinking about an upgrade. And the first place I would start is with these Wilwood Dynalite 4-Piston rear disc kit for your Chevy C10. Now this kit's going to include your rear calipers, your brake pads, your drilled and slotted rotors, your rotor hats, and all the hardware to be able to install them. Now these brake pads aren't regular brake pads, they're made out of a high-end BP10 compound that's going to deliver optimized and balanced braking for your Chevy C10. The Wilwood Forged Dynalite rear brake kit will include a parking brake as well, and it's going to fit your 1963 to 1987 Chevy and GMC C10s and C15s with the large Chevy C10 flange. It also features ultralight plain-faced rotors, red powder-coated calipers, stainless steel pistons, and this will greatly improve the braking performance compared to your factory brakes.